Myself, Riddhi Gupta. I am born and brought up in Delhi. I did my schooling from the Stage Prague,
Okay.
and I'm from commerce with maths background. I was a studious child in my school time, and I appeared for the chat in 2021, and there I got into College of Vocational Studies, Delhi University, in the course BB, that is Bachelor's in Business Economics. This is my
Okay.
third year. And talking about myself, I am an entrepreneurship enthusiast. I have various hobbies, like I love being creative, talking about calligraphy or making handmade gifts. Besides that, I love hosting people. I love cooking for people. I love reading fictional and non-fictional thriller novels. I do love binge watching OTT platforms, and besides that, I love exploring the future and current upcoming news and talking about AI or Web3 and all that stuff. And
Yeah.
yeah, that was more or less.
How did you find Verbalhub education?
So I got in here through my senior, who was there as their student. He really liked the service, the faculty, and the experience was fabulous. So yeah, I got inspired through him and got in here and loving it as of now.
Okay, so how was your experience with Verbalhub education?
It's going pretty good. The
Okay.
faculty is really nice. We are having doubt sessions, and these doubt sessions are the genuine one. They are not just the ones every other institute is promising.
Okay.
And yeah, the teachers are taking personalized doubts. They are quite responsive. They are quite attentive. And talking about teachers, they are just not teachers. They are specialize in their fields itself. So yes, the experience is going really great, good.
Can you please tell me regarding that, like how do we manage your time effectively during an exam?
Sure. So I have elaborated the I have divided the timings to be allocated to everything. So
Okay.
that's the basic thing that I guess any student who is appearing for CAT is required. So we need to bifurcate our priorities, our timings, be it to
Okay.
family or
Hmm.
college or anything. So
Okay.
similarly, I did. I planned my timings. I focused that at least a minimum of 1 hour or 2 hours is required on a regular basis. And if
Okay.
I'm focusing on any particular subject that I'm weak at, so I try to give more time than what I have fixed. And
Okay.
also, I try to prioritize my CAT preparation over everything. And
Hmm.
I try to minimize my time constraints over my friends, family, etc. for some time. Because, yeah, when you will be doing good at this point, then only I'll get a good, you know, a
Yeah.
good college later on.
So, is there any suggestion like from your side to those students who are preparing for or who want to prepare for the CAT exam? Any suggestion from your side?
So basically, the key is to work hard and be regular on it.
Hmm.
Don't give reasons or don't try to fluctuate on what you have decided, what you have fixed. At least, if you have fixed at least 1 hour, if you have decided to devote 1 hour every day,
Mhm.
so by hook or crook, try to devote that 1 hour, even if it is 1 a.m. at the night.
Mhm.
Uh, just give 1 hour and then sleep is what my
Yes.
rule is, or what
Mhm.
I would like to suggest my fellow
Okay.
companions who are appearing for CAT this
So
year.
yeah, I was just saying that will you suggest other students to join Verbal Hub education as you have gone through Verbal Hub education through Quant, Verbal, and DILR? So would you suggest other students to join Verbal Hub education or not?
Surely, I would like to recommend other students as well because it is a great platform to enhance their skills and surely to prepare better for their CAT exam. And yeah, as far my experience and as far as I believe, the faculty is great, the experience is great, the environment is great, all the fellow students are also great. We have a friendly environment in here. So they can surely try Verbalhub because it's gonna be a great experience over here.